a good day. Keeping your pigeons healthy and in good condition must be a priority. Sometimes it can get expensive if you always going to buy supplements and vitamins. It's an expensive outing. Today I want to show you how you can keep your pigeons perfectly healthy and shiny on a natural, 100% natural way. Let me show you what you can do on a weekly basis. So what I do on Tuesdays, I go to the greengrocer and I buy some fresh carrots. Now you can take the carrots and put it in a liquidizer or a blender, and you can blend it until it's pure carrot juice. So then you can take the carrot juice and you can add 50 ml of it to 2 liters of drinking water and give it to your pigeons. You would be amazed to see how quickly they start to shine. And carrots do offer a lot of advantages. You can Google it. That's the first thing. So on Thursdays I repeat the process, but instead of carrots I use beetroot. So you can slice up the raw beetroot, put it in your blender or liquidizer until it is pure beetroot juice. Then again you can add 50 ml of beetroot juice to 2 liters of drinking water and supply it to your pigeons. Beetroot have got many advantages in terms of minerals and vitamins. So on Tuesdays it's the carrots, and then on Thursdays it is the beetroot. I especially do this in the off season because the pigeons don't have a lot of stress on them. Their biggest stress is just to get through the molt. So I've used the system for many years, and it has served me very well. You'll see you've got healthy and beautiful shiny pigeons. Now let's look at supplements that you can add to the food. So regarding the food, I once a week take 1 or 2 onions and I chop it up in small pieces. You can also add garlic to it, but just make sure that it's small enough for the pigeons to consume. So you chop up 1 or 2 onions with garlic, and then you can wetten your mixture with a bit of garlic oil or lemon juice. I prefer the lemon juice. It's also very good for the pigeons. And then you mixed the chopped onion and garlic to the food, and you can do this twice a week and you'll see the pigeons just love it. You can also put a teaspoon of honey to the food. I've learned this from the Germans way back at this $1 Million, and it's really a great thing for your pigeons. So many pigeon fanciers underrate the value of greens. You should give greens to your pigeons. It's very essential and they do need it. So I prefer to give them fresh spinach leaves once or twice a week. So I go to my greengrocer and I buy a beautiful bunch of fresh spinach leaves, and you can just give it to the pigeons in the loft, and you'll see they get used to it within a day, and they just love it. Very important. So there you are, very easy, inexpensive, and 100% natural method to keep your pigeons healthy and shiny. Enjoy your pigeons and have a great day.